Okay, I got home from testing my 17,000 milliamps today, and it turns out I may not have actually been running 17,000 milliamps. Well, for the first bit I think I was. Something happened to my left side long 12-volt pack. The one on the right side is still working and intact. Here is the one off the left side. There's a voltage meter. Oh, that's positive, not like it matters, but positive. Oh, I gotta stay on there. Anyway, I went to charge my truck, and I noticed it was charging a little faster than usual. I was like, what the hell? One of my batteries dead? Sure enough, negative, positive, nothing. So I was like, interesting. So yeah, I actually lost 4,400 milliamps today somewhere, and I'm not sure what happened. So let's see what happened. As you can see, the three-cell pack itself is dead, showing absolutely nothing. And all that tells me is that one of these 3-cell clusters is dead. Don't mind all the junk. There, just set her there. Okay, so the first battery pack. Holy shit, maybe it cooked the whole damn thing. Wow. Okay, the first set of cells is dead. Okay, let's try the second set of cells. Oh, look at that. The second set of cells are good. Okay, let's try the third set of cells. And the third set of cells are good. So, the first two cells out of this pack must have blew up today. They must have just been old or pulling too hard or something. Because, yeah, they're dead. Nothing. Positives on the wire. And they got nothing. Try jamming the positive in the battery. Maybe there's a bad connection. Nope, nothing. Nope. Okay, so we'll just replace the two cells on the front there, and it should be good. And then I'll tape her back up and throw it back on the truck.